we go.
It's like,
That's right. Because they go happy, happy birthday, birthday, happy birthday.
here we go.
Yeah, Michael Jackson.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Killian. Happy birthday to you. It's your very first cake, Killian. Oh, wow. Oh, sorry.
Speak.
Yeah, that didn't take long. I'm gonna let everybody else take pictures. I'm gonna enjoy this. No white chocolate though. No. Get to the dark stuff. Yeah, you're gonna like the other stuff. Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh.
Do the other stuff. You don't like that one.
He's trying.
He needs some of that Long Island iced tea to wash it
Should
down.
I get rid of the...
I would pull that, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Come on. You'll like the other stuff.
He's gonna go for the one now. $100.
Let's see.
Where's the money?
There you go.
Should have waited till someone took you up on that.
I know.
Oh, there we go.
God, those were the good old days, weren't they?
Oh.
Jeez.
I'll smear it on your chest.
Oh.
Yeah! Go for it. Wah!
Slap it.
Good stuff.
Messy. I don't think he knows he's supposed to eat it.
Kelly, show him how. We'll get in there.
So I'm done. I'm done.
He says I'm dirty. Ugh.
What is this? Sweet tasting nut.
Yeah. First you tell me not to eat
Wait, here it comes.
it. He's more of a vanilla guy.
Yeah, show him the cake.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Leave my hand and feed me.
Oh, there we go. That nice side hit on your face there.
There you go.
Got the ear.
Sure. Join me in my debauchery.
I don't think he likes
I feel
being
like the
dirty.
Nissias.
I don't think so either.
He wants the cake.
That's hilarious.
Cut that thing open and get the cake.
Come on. Here, look at all this.
No, I'm done, Mommy. This is messy.
What am I trying to find?
He's like, just give me a fork, please.
I think it's so funny. When he first birthday is the kid.
Oh, sweetie pie. That's just nasty.
Says this is great. Now can I go to sleep?
He wants to be fed.
Oh, I bet
He wants that so bad.
See if he gets better.
I'm waiting for the sugar He-Man moment. Sugar rush.
Aww. Oh, what the hair?
Cry if you want to.
You don't like the cake? Now, if this were refried beans, he'd be all over it.
Well,
Oh, yeah. Bean cake.
He was mowing him yesterday.
I'm glad you didn't ask Child Protective Services. I think you were torturing him.
I've seen both of those.
When he's crabbing.
Clean it. Oh, Chuck.
Dad's tired.
Mashed potatoes in between. Yeah. All right.
Now we like that.
It's been a
Well,
little
it's
bit.
cleaner.
It's been a little
Yeah,
bit
I'm
of
willing
time.
to work with this.
So,
We're going back and forth.
oh my god. Thanks.
I don't mind being messy if I get Mommy messy.
You got blue ears. Hi, Killian.
I can't wave.
He's so tired. Hi, Killian.
Hi, look at my messy hand.
I don't know if I want to laugh or cry. to Siege.
Tell her we'll save her some cake.
She can have it. Right. Can have a cupcake.
Hey, Killian.
Saying wipe my hands off.
Killian.
Yeah, you can be happy. Wipe my hands.
So we don't have a messy
See?
child.
Yeah, you just,
At least right now.
We have a very pretty child.
Say
hi, everybody. Look at my cake face.
Cake face.
Look at cake face and cake's ears.
Wait, have a
It's
sugar.
like the one
Looks
that
at
you were
it.
crying about.
he's building his confidence. I can sense it. Yeah, got little hands that just slap into that puppy. Bring it in.
Hi. Hi, you're so
He
handsome.
learned how to wave on his first birthday.
Good job, bud.
Quit being such a baby.
Killian!
That's not edible.
Killian, Killian, Killian.
Sorry, that was me.
Suppose we can.
Are you done with cake?
I think
Are you done with cake?
Hey, I'll sit in that chair if I get that cake.
You can have the rest of it. There's a lot.
Let me show you how it's done, kid.
You're sitting at my phone.
Yeah.
I got this side. Thank you.
You almost put my hands out where you get the white.
picture of that.
Come on, Mom, show him how it's done.
You, Kelly.
Look at you, Nicky boy. I know. No,
Perfect.
you're.
He says, get me out of this thing.
I would suggest taking the hand down first. Because every time you clean his head, he's like, there you go, Mom.
Feels a little itchy today.
Aww.
Wasn't that a fun birthday?
I know, right?
Oh, the memories.
Water that I can give him.
Our water's
Where's
over
our...
there. It's on the restaurant.
It's on the ground.
Bottle of water.
By my mom.
Oh!
He just senses he's in shark country.